Welcome friends to my channel Neeraj Kapse. So today I'm going to demonstrate you a gaming laptop. So I have a laptop with me. The features of the laptop I will tell you first. So this is a HP gaming laptop and this is HP Pavilion gaming laptop. It is a i5 high performance processor with NVIDIA 4GB graphics card. The model number is DK026 3TX. It come up with a 9th generation processor, 2.4 GHz base frequency, and it is boost up to 4.1 GHz. Also, it is having 8 MB of L3 cache with 4 cores, 8 GB of a RAM. This is SD RAM. It is having one slot, 1 TB of a hard disk. It is preloaded with a Windows 10, 4 GB of a graphics card of NVIDIA GTX 1650, 15.6 inch diagonal Full HD IPS anti-glare screen with WLED backlight, and it is having 3-cell battery with Wi-Fi integrated, Bluetooth integrated, and it supports Wi-Fi 5.0, also 2.4 GHz band. It is having Bluetooth 5.0 as well. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate you this unboxing of this HP Pavilion gaming laptop. There is nice packing of this. On this side there is a charger available for this laptop. The charger is little bit different for the gaming edition. So I will first tell you about the charger. Okay, nice round power bank type charger is there. So on this side it is 150 watt charger. So it is having very fast charger. Normal chargers are 65 watt. But with this gaming laptop you will get 150 watt of a charger. There is a 230 volt AC adapter input is available. Okay, we can fix this AC input here, and there is a charging pin. So regular charging pin is available, so you can attach either 65 watt of a charger or this is powerful charger 150 watt. I will keep it aside. Now I will take this laptop out. Okay. This is HP Pavilion gaming laptop. Here it is a cut size LCD screen is there. So Pavilion badge is available here. Okay, Pavilion badge is available here. Then I will open this. Okay, so here it is cut sections for the screen. Then here these are the audio speakers. So it is having both audio inside it. Then a nice keypad. On the top we have multi-screen touch inputs here. Here it is a HP QR code available. So you can scan it for your support entries and all. Then on this side here it is i5 logo, and on the below that it's having NVIDIA GeForce GTX logo. Okay, so very nice look. Now we'll see the ports of this particular laptop. So on this side we have here HDMI. Then there is a USB. All ports are USB 3.0. So one USB 3.0 is available here. Then there is a LAN port available, so you can connect Ethernet RJ45. Then here it is Type C USB is available, and a micro SD card slot is available on this side. Okay, so I will turn this side. On another side we have here power DC input jack, Then there are two another USB 3.0 and integrated mic and speaker slot, like 3.5 mm jack is available. So it is integrated, so this is with speaker and mic. On the back end side, it is having cooling. The Pavilion badge is available here. Pavilion is written, Windows logo is printed. Okay, it is preloaded with licensed Windows, and the cooling fans are available. So there are multiple fans available inside, so you can look at these fans. So 1 2 3 4 fans are there, and liquid cooling facility is available. This laptop come up with both speakers, so speakers are available on the top. Then there is a full keypad is available here, and this keypad is having a backlight effect as well. So behind that there is a light, so light is glowing. So we can have a function here to turn off and on the keypad backlight. So we can have F5 key for this, so you can off this, make it off like this. And also during the night hours or during the dark, you will get this illuminated keypad. So I will switch off my light and show you the thing. I have turned off my light, so this keypad is glowing like this. Okay, so very nice look is there for this keypad. So very nice look is there. So you can observe this.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Very nice
A little sign in here, a touch
audio
of
as well.
there,
So it's
and
turning
you'll have
on
your
now.
PC ready for all you plan to do.
So Cortana is
Use
speaking.
your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you
So I'm going to tell you the features of this laptop first. So it is Core i5 9300H CPU with 2.4 GHz, 8 GB RAM is available, and it is integrated with NVIDIA graphics card. Also it's having keypad feature. So here it is one button F5 to turn on the backlight of a keypad. Now I have turned on, so we can control the brightness as well like this. Okay, so we can control the brightness of the keypad as well. Okay, then we can have a both audio, so we can increase the voice. So here it is. Okay, and there is separate configuration is available for a both audio control. So once I open the both audio control, so we'll get BO and audio control. So we can have here mixer control, microphone array control, and everything. So we can have input control and output control as well. So we can have equalizers, so we can set different equalizers for sound listening and all. So this is very nice feature it's having. Okay, then few more things. It's having very good screen, and the reflection, it's anti-glare reflection screen available. Okay, and then we can have here HP Sensiva support registration, jumpstart registration guide. So here you can register your laptop. Okay, so this is about HP Pavilion Gaming Edition. So if you like my video, please hit the like button. If you're not subscribed my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Also press notification bell icon for next upcoming updates. Thank you for listening. Thank you.